Coming into the bicep region, a lot of times I like to work the biceps in this position, and you can introduce one of the dome cups into this area. I introduce a technique called the ratchet, where you actually are taking the arm, forearm to forearm, grabbing a hold of the wrist, squeezing the cup, placing it on the bicep, and then just allowing it to slide gently back and forth as you mobilize the arm in this position. It's a little bit tricky to do with the cup, so often I will do this technique without the cup. But if they've got a lot going on in their biceps, this can be a really nice technique to do with the cup as well. Without the cup, you just basically let your hand slide across the tissue as you mobilize from cross-body into the overhead position. Working from elbow down towards the deltoid region, where you turn your fingers downwards, sliding down the deltoid, working into the deltoid with your hands. And then as a bonus, you can just slide their arm across the body, creating protraction of the scapula, sneaking the hand underneath, grabbing the medial border of the scapula as you work your way up the medial border of the scapula and slide out into the supraspinous fossa.